Hi to all. Once again, welcome back to Avisan Kitchen. Today we are going to make a very simple and quick recipe, chicken keema in Hamari style. I'm sure you will definitely love it. So let us start. Take oil in a pan. Once oil become hot, add onions, add green chilies, and tomato. Fry it for 1 minute. Then add turmeric powder, red chilli powder, garam masala powder, coriander powder, chicken masala powder, and salt as per taste. Mix it and let it fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add our mashed chicken. Mix it nicely. Fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add 2 cups of water. Mix it well. Now cover with a lid. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes on low to medium flame. Now open it. You can see our chicken is cooked nicely. Now boil it until it becomes thick gravy. You can see our chicken keema is ready. It looks so spicy and awesome. Now garnish with the coriander leaves. You can have this either with a chapati bread or roti. So do try our recipe and let us know your feedback, suggestions and comments if any. If you liked our recipe, do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the new notifications. Thank you.